Have you ever wondered what the most common diseases are that affect dogs? Well, believe it or not, there are a number of ailments that dogs are susceptible to that are fairly common and can be easily treated. Most of these ailments are not serious. However, if they go undetected and therefore untreated, some do have the potential to pose a serious health issue to your dog. So today, we are going to discuss the 7 most common dog illnesses and what you can do to manage them. Welcome back, guys. My name is Doc Frustration. Every week we post videos, cases, topics, and tips on how to better take care of your fur babies. And this week, we are going to talk about the 7 most common dog illnesses and ways on how you can manage them. Because I am in the pet care business, I often get asked about these things. So what are the common dog diseases? What are their symptoms? And most importantly, what are the treatments for them? We did some research on this topic and here is what we learned. The 7 most common illnesses: ear infection, itchy skins or skin infections, dental disease, vomiting and diarrhea, stiffness and pain, urinary problems, and obesity. Dental disease. Oral infections are actually the most common dog disease and that they become an issue in dogs after the age of 3. Tartar and gingivitis are among the most common oral issues, while the more severe periodontal diseases such as an abscess tend to occur more often in older dogs in their later stages in life. Ang mga symptoms of dental disease are bad breath, loose teeth, changes in appetite, particularly refusal to eat dry food kasi nga masakit kapag ginuguya, discharge of blood or pus from the mouth, drooling, bad temper, lumps on the gums or under the tongue, and discolored teeth and gums. Treatment for dental disease include teeth cleaning. Ano niyo sa vet? Extractions? Yes, bubunutan ng ipin. Ang next question niyan lagi sa akin, Doc, makakakain ba yung aso ko kapag binunutan ng ipin? The answer to that is absolutely yes. Mas maganda pa na tanggalin natin yung it's better for us to remove an infected or diseased tooth or teeth rather than to keep it in the gums because it will cause further damage eventually. Sometimes even a root canal is needed. Hindi natin ginagawa yung root canal dito sa Pilipinas. All of these treatments would need to be administered by your dog's vet. Oral care for your pet is very important and regular vet visits are the best way to keep the serious dental disease at bay. So if your pet is groomed regularly, ask the groomer to clean his teeth as well. Toothbrush. At saka para makikita din natin dyan, if you don't get to examine your dog's mouth, makikita ng groomer at least, or your veterinarian when you do your vet visits. Ear infections. So if your dog suffers from recurring ear infections, it is very likely that allergies are the culprit and the most likely allergen are corn, wheat, soy, and their food. However, dogs with large pendulous ears tend to be more susceptible to ear infections. Sino yung mga yan? Mga basset hounds, beagles, the likes, no? If you notice that your dog scratching or pulling his ears, shaking his head, or rubbing his ear against the floor or furniture, that is a good indication that he may have an ear infection. More severe symptoms might include redness of the ear canal, scabs, and crust around the ear, hair loss around the ear, balance issues, walking in circles, pain, and hearing loss, pagkabingi. To treat an ear infection in your dog, the first step is to clean and dry the ear. Clean and dry the ear. Hindi clean lang or dry lang, but clean and dry the ear. If he is in a lot of pain, kasi nga masakit, namamaga, may infection, he may need to be sedated for this. An examination by your vet will determine that what type of infection your dog may have and can likely be treated with a topical antibiotic or antifungal. Yes, pwede ring may mites or infections or bacteria inside the ear that can cause the middle ear infections. Itchy skin or skin infections. All dogs scratch on a daily basis. O ha? Ulit ko yan. All dogs scratch on a daily basis. Talaga nakakamot sila on a daily basis. But if you notice that your dog is scratching incessantly, that is a sign that something else is going on. The number one cause of itchy skin in dogs is food allergy. The most common food allergens are corn, wheat, and soy found in many dog foods. Switching to a low allergen food such as a hypoallergenic diet or lemon rice may be the key to relieving your dog's itchy skin. However, if a diet change does not make a difference, then a visit to your vet would be in order. Bacterial and yeast infections can also be the cause of canine itching and can lead to problems known as hot spots. Hot spots cause very painful sores, especially for dogs with thick fur. Ayan, no? Yung mas makakapal na balahibo ng dogs natin, the more that they're likely to form hot spots. Depending on the type of infection, your vet may recommend something as simple as a shampoo to treat allergies or an antibiotic ointment for more severe skin infections. There can be a number of reasons for your dog's itchy skin, so getting a proper diagnosis is the first step in treating the issue. External parasites such as ticks, fleas, and mites are among the more common reasons why your dog may become itchy. A variety of anti-tick and fleas, mites products are present in the market right now. The key is to consistently administer them as per advice by your veterinarian. The positive part is that most itching reasons may get properly controlled after your canine has been thoroughly diagnosed. There are also several methods you can offer your dog extra comfort at home. I already did a video on this, so please check this link below. Vomiting and diarrhea. Just like people, dogs will have digestive upset from time to time, and just like people, these issues will tend to resolve themselves after a few days. However, if you notice that your dog is vomiting or experiencing diarrhea too often, or that either or both conditions seem to be lingering, then you should call your vet immediately. Persistent vomiting and diarrhea could be a symptom of a more serious problem. Viral infection, intestinal worms, and bacterial imbalance are illnesses that will cause intestinal upset in your dog. A proper diagnosis from your vet will determine the exact problem and treatment to be administered. Stiffness and pain. If your dog is 6 years of age or older, you may notice that getting up from a sitting or lying down position seems more difficult, or perhaps climbing stairs seems difficult as well. These are symptoms that he is experiencing stiffness and pain. To treat pain and stiffness in your dog, first, keep your dog at a healthy weight. Mas magaan, mas maganda. Increasing age is inevitable. Increasing weight is not. In addition to helping your dog maintain a healthy weight, you may want to consider using a glucosamine or chondroitin supplement to maintain joint health. Your vet can recommend one to you. Urinary tract problems. UTIs become evident through symptoms such as frequent urination, breaking house straining, blood in the urine, dribbling urine, crying out while urinating, straining to urinate, or frequently and obsessively licking the genital area. I did a video on this, so check this link below. If you notice any of these symptoms in your dog, take him to your vet. Your vet will conduct a urine sample to determine the type of infection and prescribe the proper antibiotic treatment. Obesity. The best way to tell if your dog needs to lose weight is to run your hands over its rib cage. Kung hindi mo maramdaman yung ribs, that is a sure indication that your dog is overweight. In most dogs, obesity is quite obvious, but for dogs that are a bit furrier, the rib cage test is the best way to determine if they need to lose weight. The best treatment for obesity is to provide a healthy, quality diet for your dog and make sure he is getting regular exercises. The importance of a good diet for your pet. So as far as nutrients are concerned, when you eat healthy, your body responds better. Your mood is more pleasant and you have more energy and motivation to start each day. And you feel stronger and more resistant to infections. Plus, A well-balanced diet enables you to manage a healthy weight and prevent several obesity-related problems. Remember, it's more important to pay close attention to your dog's behavior and watch for changes that may indicate his discomfort. While these diseases are common and most are not serious, they do have the potential to become serious if they are not treated properly. If you have any doubts about your dog's health, call us. We are here for you. Go to any of our Dog Farts Animal Wellness Centers, and these are the numbers that you can call. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you learned something today. If you have any comments, suggestions, please use the comment section below and do share and like our page. Thank you very much and see you again next week.